Okay, let's talk about normal channel in standard material. Again, going to the standard setting, going to the material, add a material, double click, open material editor. After a bump, we want to talk about the normal map. The normal map is very simple. When we insert, for example, simple plane, and this is our simple plane, and we add material to that, and we add a simple light to see, for example, normals or and we are going to double click again, and this is a normal. The normal map are RGB maps, something like this. The maps and image that you are seeing has these colors. It means these are normal maps, and create such a these things. Not exactly this. These are displacement map. These are normal map. So if you insert these images, you can create such a these things. Or you can assign your normal map if you want. First, you have to insert a texture. For creating normal map from these textures, for example, from a noise, from a checkerboard, from anything, first you have to go to the FX and normalizer. This is our normalizer. If you go to the normalizer, you can see such these things. But you have to assign a texture to the normalizer to make black and white code from the texture. I explained it before. To the white code, for example, simple noise. Yeah. From simple noise, this simple noise going to the normalizer, and normalizer create a normal for us. You can go to the noise. The first thing first, you remember that you have to make it a 2D. First, make it a 2D. You can increase or decrease the number of the contrast to better see that. Render, you cannot see. I assign it. Yeah. Going to the normal again. Oh, we didn't assign any texture here. Where was that? Oh. Effect. Normalizer. Yeah. This is our normalizer. Texture. Simple noise. A noise. Make it 2D. Yeah, I think it has a bug about that. Okay, going to the normalizer, increase strength, and you can see a little normal bump. These are fake. Changing the lighting of the camera, changing the light distribution in the surface, and create a normal for you. So going to the noise, you can increase the contrast to, it's changing the black and white code like a bomb. I explained it before. The white code are going out, the black code going down, and the gray is between them. You can change the noise to, for example, something like that. You can see it's creating interesting bump, but you can see it's not real 3D, just it's a fake. It's distributing the light, and interesting part that is you can change the light and you can see lights. Nice. These are bump. Or you can go to the normal and clear that and directly load, for example, such as these images. Going to load image, and now insert this image. You can see it's creating fake 3D. Nice. And the lighting are changing in the surface of this bump. Interesting. This is a texture. From here, you can change the strength of the direct and normal. And you can see you don't have any noise, anything. It's a tangent, it's object, it's changing base object or changing base of board. but it's based a tangent. It's creating the tangent of the object, something like that. You can see it changing the specular light on the objects. Or you can flip X, flip red channel, green channel. We can see it's red, green, and the blue. In this image, we don't have blue. You can change if you insert a normal map, and because in any software, any export, for example, Affinity Designer, Photoshop, or anything that has different methods for creating the normal map or any normalizer, you can swap X because they are creating 3D fake 3D object in X, Y, and Z. From this, you can flip them to make them correct. You can see if you for example have something like that issues, you can change and flip the lighting. You can see that change. Or from here, you can change the strength of that. But they are not real 3D. And that's it. The best channel for doing this is the displacement. It's real displacement, the object. And for doing that, it needs to be to render for seeing the displacement. Okay, this is normal. Please don't forget to visit our TutorialCells apps channel. In this channel, we are introducing Android application and learn how to use them.